Okay, I lost my wife.
Lost your wife. Okay.
Okay. On the day when I had gone to list my company, 2016 May, when I went to ring the bell in the National Stock Exchange, I did it alone. I lost my wife for pancreatic cancer, grade 4, just 50 days before my IPO. And she was diagnosed to have that problem only 50 days before the death. So only 100 days, it's over. And that was a huge shock for me. I also said she also left her job. She killed her identity.